The new 2018 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 may very well have those customers mulling over making a beeline for their neighborhood Toyota merchants. The Chevy Colorado has been our most loved moderate-size pickup, available as far back as it won consecutive Truck of the Year titles in 2015 and 2016. For the 2017 model year, Chevy turns the now demonstrated Colorado recipe up a score with the trail and leave prepared Colorado ZR2. Expanding on the strong bones of the Colorado Z71, the new Colorado ZR2 gets a not insignificant rundown of genuine rough terrain additional items. However, the core of the new truck is its suspension framework. The ZR2 gets Multimatic's famous Dynamic Suspension Spool Valve, DSSV, dampers, which, when combined with a 2-inch suspension lift and 3.5-inch more extensive track, enables the Colorado ZR2 to keep running at high speeds in the betray, amplifies enunciation while shake creeping, and enhances ride quality and execution in the city. Chevy didn't stop with the DSSV dampers, however. It likewise includes a locking back differential, a portion selective locking front differential, an augmented back hub and front control arms, extra body protection as shake sliders, aluminum skid plates on the radiator, motor oil container, and exchange case, and forceful new front and back guards intended to support approach and takeoff edges. Balancing the additional items are 17-inch wheels shod with 31-inch Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires.